In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an ebook in the Gamma app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to gamma.app. Now, once we're here, we can either log in or start for free. So I'm going to start from a fresh account here. So on this page, I'm going to sign up. So you can get started for free and no credit card required. So you can either click on Google or continue with your email address. I like using my Google account because it's just a quicker and faster sign up and sign in process. So once I've done that, I'm going to allow it to sign into the gamma.app. Now after that, it should redirect back to your gamma.app. Now from here, it's going to say, how do you plan to use Gamma? So I'm just going to put in for personal work. Now, which of the following best describes your role? I'm going to say creator. How many people? Just me. What do you plan to do with Gamma? So this doesn't matter what you really fill out here. It's just going to give gamma.app an idea of what you're trying to create. So if you're not sure, just go ahead and click on not sure yet, because there's no option to click on create ebook. So not sure yet, click on continue. How'd you hear about us? I'm going to say a YouTube. Now from here, it's going to say create with AI. So what I'm going to choose is click on the generate button. Now, once you're on this page here, we need to change a few things. So it's going to say generate, what would you like to create today? So go ahead and make sure it's on document. That's important for this process. Now under here, we've got how many cards we would like to select. So cards are like sections. So if you want 9 cards, you can choose 9, 3. I'm going to do 4 cards for this. Then to the right of that, we've got card size. So we can choose from 4 different options here. We've got default, pages, letter, or A4. Now for this ebook, I'm going to choose A4, and then to the right of that, we've got the language. So we've got a few different languages we can choose from. Then under this, we've got describe what you'd like to make. Now from here, write in a prompt. So I'm just going to do one like this. So create an ebook about our solar system. Then from here, go ahead and click on generate outline. That's going to go ahead and generate that outline for that ebook prompt. And now below that, we can see our outlines being created. So we got 1, 2, 3 sections by the looks of it. So we got section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, 5, 6, and conclusion. So you can see all of the outline about this ebook. Now if we keep scrolling down, we can customize this a bit more. So we can click on text content, amount of text per card. So if you want to be minimal, choose minimal, concise, detailed, or extensive. So I'm just going to do concise. Then for visual, we got use one of our popular themes below or more to view. So if you want to view more, click on view more. But for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one here. I like that. Now we got image source. We can use AI images, stock photos, web images, AI images, illustrations. So you can go ahead and choose which type of image source you'd like to use. And AI image model, you can auto select, flux, nano, banana 2. That's going to cost credits. And we got basic models here. I'm just going to click on auto select for this. And now we got image art style. So we got illustration, photo, abstract, custom. And then we can also go ahead and add some extra keywords. So minimalism, colorful to maintain consistency, and image style. Now, if you like the look of it, just go ahead and double check it. And now I'm just going to go ahead and click on generate. And that's going to generate this ebook for me. So I'm going to give this a few moments to generate. I'm going to pause this video and get back to it once it's finished. Now you can see here, so do not close this tab while generation is in process, because if you do, it's going to stuff things up. So just go ahead and let the AI generate this ebook. So you might want to go ahead and grab a coffee or a drink and come back to this. As you can see, it's probably going to take a minute or two, maybe 3 or 4 minutes. So it's actually looking quite nice. So I'm halfway done. So you can see how it's turning out. I quite like this. So it's got chapter 2, the rocky worlds, and it's got Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. We can go ahead and edit inside of here too. So we can select item to rearrange, etc. So it's fully customizable inside of here. Now it's still generating. I really like this layout and it looks cool for what I'm trying to do. Now on the left hand side, we can see kind of a bit of a preview here of what each page looks like. So we got page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now it's writing 6. But if I want to go back to 5, I can just click onto it, any of these, but because it's still writing, so I'm going to just automatically select the bottom one at this point in time. All right, so once this is finished, it's going to say your gamma has finished generating. So you made your first gamma on the right. It's easy to customize, edit, and share your gamma. So go ahead and click on show. So you can read through all this introduction. So every card is made up of an editable blocks. So blocks can be anything from text to images to diagrams. Click anywhere to edit the block and make this gamma yours. So let's go ahead and explore. So on the bottom right, we've got some things to do. So we can go ahead and add a card. So add a blank card with, or use AI to generate a new one based on your content. So click on got it. So I'm just going to show you how to actually do this as well. So drag to reorder cards. So drag one or more multiple cards using the film strip. So just go through these and just a quick start guide. So yeah, this is basically how to create an ebook in the Gamma app.